smell kind of just all floral, but this one really actually does have some heat and warmth to it, in addition to the floral scent. That is so decadent. I really like that. And this one, the title is called Plot Twist, and the notes, it smells like chills and thrills. The fragrance is sea minerals and water lily. So take a look at that. For these fragrance notes, it says, let your imagination wander and soak in the fresh aroma of sea minerals, crisp apples, and water lilies. Every page you turn will leave you wondering what's next, until finally a subdued base of amber, blonde wood, and vanilla musk will ground you in reality. So that is Plot Twist. Smell the sea minerals. Yeah, it just reminds me of summer and blue waters on the Italian Amalfi Coast. Not that I've been there, but yeah. And lastly, for the candles, this candle is called Dark Academia. And the notes, it smells like melancholy moods and secret societies. The fragrance is vintage leather and oud, O-U-D. To be honest, I don't know what that is. And so take a look at this one. So the fragrance note says classic with a twist. Notes of vanilla rum, leather, and spiced santal are perfectly layered on top of a deep base of tonka bean and smoked oud. Top notes of pink pepper and sage amplify this complex aroma. The result is a sophisticated, moody fragrance that will leave you wanting waxing poetic for days. So let's open it up and smell it. Wow, that is so interesting. These candles actually do smell like Plot Twist, Dark Academia, and Friends, Enemies to Lovers. This smells, I can smell the leather. It does kind of smell like a professor's office and like old leather chairs with, I don't know, flowers in the office or something. That is so nice. I hope you love it, because I love them. Maybe I'll get a few for myself. Okay, so these are your candles, and I thought that you could light them according to whatever book you're reading at the time. And I thought that they would just kind of add to the ambiance of your night. Okay, so next I have your so you can just stick them on anywhere. Just use them like a post-it note. And apparently, so this is the area that you can use as a phone dock as well. I'll show you. Yeah, so once you use all your sticky notes, you can use this as a phone dock and maybe even put 2 phones in here. So I will put the post-it notes back. And it looks like right here is where you can sharpen your pencils. And like I said before, it has a removable tray to discard of the pencil shavings. So, oh, and I think that this is the magnetic area that will hold the paper clips. Can you imagine how cute this will look on your desk? I'm glad you like it too. All of these things are things that I would have wanted for myself too. Next, I bought this puzzle from Liberty, and I bought it because the box was so pretty. It looks like a book with gold gilded pages, and you open up the box like this. And so this is the design on the box. And I don't know if you can see, but it looks like they're trees. And they're trees that are outlined in gold. And this one is green, pink, red, and the sky is pink, and they have these beautiful, simple clouds. I don't know a lot about art, but it looks a little bit modern and abstract to me. So it says, I don't know if you know much about Liberty. I didn't either until I walked into Barnes & Noble, but I really like all of their designs. It says that Liberty is a heritage brand known for its unique avant-garde design with unmistakable art fabrics. And let me show you the inside of the box. How pretty is this? Even after you finish the puzzle, I feel like this could be a really nice box to just put some of your, I don't know, special things, valuables in. I feel like it would look really good just tucked into your bookshelf alongside the rest of your books too. And let's just see what this is. It's just a printout of the puzzle so you can see kind of what you're aiming to recreate with the full puzzle. This is beautiful. I saw this and I instantly thought of you, so I hope that you really like this one. So this is the Alpha Freewrite. Have you heard of this before? So I actually had to wait a really long time for this to come in, and I was almost worried that it wouldn't come in on time. I pre-ordered it in November, and it just came in a few days ago, so we were really lucky. But basically, it's a keyboard that allows for distraction-free writing. And I know that you are an aspiring novelist and you're always writing. So, and I remember you talking about how you always seem to get distracted on the computer or on your phone. But this actually doesn't have any other capabilities really other than just storing your writing. It does connect to Wi-Fi, which is how all of your work gets saved onto things like Dropbox, Evernote. So the idea with this is that it helps you just to get your first draft down, so that, you know, the first draft fast, right? So you can get your first draft down and just edit after that so that you have at least something to work with. And you can just edit and edit and edit after that. But apparently people do say that this helps them write their first draft faster, so I hope that it helps you. I was so excited to see it. Should we unbox it together? Okay, very cool. I will start unwrapping it for you. Okay, so the shrink wrap, the plastic is off. So let's open it. So it comes in two colors, black and speckled white. But I thought that you would like the speckled white, so that's what I got. So here it is. Your new Alpha keyboard. And I really like the keyboard. I hope that you like it better than writing on your laptop. Because you know how the laptop keys can be so shallow. But these feel like one of those old school keyboards. So, and it comes with this envelope that says "Welcome, Writer." And I love that they say that because you are a writer. If you love to write and it's part of what makes you you, then yeah, you are a writer. So I like that. And they have some stickers that say "Words are hard, free write." So I imagine that you can put this on your keyboard or your laptop or something. And they have a card for in case you need support. Comes with a user manual. It seems very straightforward. There are only 3 very short descriptions. The first one says press the power button. The second says press both new keys when prompted. And the third just says write. And yeah, it's nice because I think that it is a really simple machine. So hopefully you don't get bogged down too much with any technical difficulties. And it just comes with this USB cable. Okay. Last but not least, I got this Freewrite felt bag, and it just fits the Alpha keyboard perfectly. So I will pack these all in a bag for you to take home. Maybe we could hang out a little bit if you're not too tired. Okay, cool. Well, I just wanted to say thank you again for spending your birthday with me. I had so much fun picking out these Bookish gifts for you, my favorite Bookish friend. And I hope that they just bring you